Mama wakwaba medi ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ora Kofinya Akon eye NPP blogger e wo Facebook na ode ensem bi atodwa eko ede ema omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ninsem o Kenya ne se enti 2024 ebedu na omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama akọ station to station se okoye campaign wo hono mo nto aba emfa ema nana enya dia ebesi ontime kra because what disrespecting a station boys and as omo ye adwuma e wo station to station what disrespect omo na adofo nienti a Ora Kofinya Akon e ka say na ne say former president John Dramani Mahama ne campaign to a okono oka assembly etre NDC fo na sorry NPP fo na ne nsem a okan na ne say NPP fo sorry almost say we have the men sana men no mo woni nyina no omo ye station boys omo ni men bia omo abo omo mpadusua and economy no mo collapse no and ensem bebre nti omo ni men bia se no omo ka no and enkofo bebre I react to it station masters crowd letter about to say omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama empacho because asem o kan no atemdidi na eno na Ora Kofinya Akon etre se omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama de uhu de ha no chese campaign no name no desperate why yentin some o kan yensem foto akra say station boys say and that is a wood station omo we adwuma station no do omo atem enti no why can I dey acho omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama o chese 2024 de and chese wankasa upe ba bifa na untumi ko station so okoye campaign yenti ensem a Ora Kofinya Akon de etudwa
your friend is saying NPP said they have the men not knowing they are station boys. They don't know anything. As somehow can you are inferring. Say station boys no omunim nyansa bia. They do about what they are. You go to the stations, omo wo GPRTV, omo wo train stations, omo wo all the stations. Okada here we are so legalize it. Okada for all of them. You are telling them say they don't know anything. Just omunim nyansa omo adwin bia ni omtrim. So as I said, that is what exactly what former President Mahama person say. Station boys, they don't know anything. We don't need any explanation. And as I feel now, figure of speech. You said it, and it is there. It has been reported by all the media. Some people have twisted your way. Now the hypocrisy of these NDC people, and they say all the time they think it's a and a monopoly of bullying people. When they bully people and NDC for so they are. Oma yes maya for years for Ghana. But this time around there, Obia no overtena. I'm Obia big no. Enti oka sabi a mine yen idea. Pempenzo ya dru we are seeing. Obia person man economy it will be a makwan mob emenhran yese onu ye superior than anybody and unti asama wakan I think say mo amoye aduma wo stations no mate what I say mate de all kan yes ye kukurumpo ne yabesoa ya papa yi waba sebe o man ye nyina ye hu ne and unti asama wakan I think say mo amoye aduma wo stations no mate what I say mate de all kan yes ye kukurumpo ne yabesoa ya papa yi waba sebe o man ye nyina ye hu ne ma wo ye na Ghana for se kope ba bi tira na ye ma obi fufuro mra obi aba o ye na adwuma say we are seeing na economy no ene ma ye tough time na wo 2016 ya na nkrofo person me comparison 2016 na wo ye president na saa time Holland ha meti eniema sebe e kosoro who said the eniema kosoro na bi ni ha where the economic crisis na bi ni ba bia what I say so wo ye eniema poto electricity amane ehu ye enso aban yi ba power hwe covid I had dream to the extent to say I collapse some economy the we are economy akesi American countries as swing empo omunyina struggle. Hello, I say okay. Omunyina all of them are struggling. but eno ne sa no Ghana ebesi na me hu se every time a covid ba ebesi sa atemi regardless of situation e wo me hu so ma ye adwuma civil servant any ade any ayi kura no aban ayese we default aye ntu omuka they are paid every month, they get their salary every month. All the policies are aban aye or implement here why nyina no e ko nanim the former president person me kire say sabi papa we penin wo nananom wo ma and I was so who say if we are see we no ade bia wo be Canada ho e twen what I say enti no obi anim say wo petumi any open maybe they who say desperation and I will never support any bid say yes Ghana for to abama order because me who dey obetumi dey ababiu me na understand anado be president say okọ anasa anado buy one term and okọ yes o san babiu nka me support ni la never anado e buy na ya to abama no okọ no asan yes o ba ka will never support anado so what I say me mpe enipa sabi omani so de enipa yamo de oman Ghana ayamo hwe 2020 hwe kwan yanka wo de oman woni wo NDC e de Ghana nka mo de faso e ka kakra bi enka you plunge Ghana into chaos now so no Ghana for your understanding any majority of Ghanaians ye mpemu jahwegu majority Ghana be 90% in 90 crore just a few people who know some of your crowd and I am there because of 2 minutes munya yanka kuna say sanka Ghana krona nka 2020 no o bompa no NDC no some and say so sometimes I was say mu who say if you ask we no sabe the encrophobic choose so mo pen you can change it and that is it you have had your time Ghana for you about Ghanaians have not been ungrateful to you in any way oh call as a former president Ghanaians are paying you for your everything. Your protection, your everything is not paid by you. It's paid by Ghanaians. And today you any
o ka kire me say party way a ye nya John Mahama na aka kire ye plane say wono de ye de sebe basa ene twa ye furuma NDC for you people should let the MPP know that we were born out of violence. Yeah saka basa and ye twa ye furuma ye na ye Jimmy for mu nimi a ye me Mahama no kura me gira no me ne me Jimmy kakra ba me na je me boa ampa so oboa no we Jimmy sebe anakwasie na wunyimi a obi a wo wakwatu Chinese ni wachi Ghana ni akotu prison say we kotu galam say ene ye ja wo awusi da ebu ba ma omapie adenti a ye jomo no we bisanse na wudi president no wo chi Chinese for the excavator no de ye de yin o de mo nsa me da ye me say me da man say me all gloves of ko me hu ni say Niama ekosu ni na Mahama shase utie say to trust some ekosu ni na Mahama is really involved because